G'day there, it's Glenn Smith here from Your Next Car In Officer, and what I'm going to do today is take you for a walk around tour of this absolutely awesome 2013 Nissan Patrol ST. Please take note, and I'm not sure if you've seen on the advert, it does have over $25,000 worth of accessories. Some you can see, can't see. I'll rattle off a couple of them as we walk around the car itself, but please take note, it does have the superior engineering suspension, 3505 GVM Upgrade, which has been complied, rear coil spring, full service history, steel wool bar, dual batteries, custom airbox, a worn winch, Anderson plug, 17-inch upgraded tyres, long range fuel tank, rear airbags, factory diff lock, satellite navigation, which is an aftermarket style sat nav, front mount intercooler, icon radio, EVC throttle controller, cruise control, LED driving lights, and so much more, guys. So if I do miss any of those as I walk around the video, I do apologise. But as I said, it is fully loaded, this Patrol. One of the best value Patrols with these extras currently advertised, and probably will not last long. What I'll do is I'll start from the exterior, take you through the interior as we walk around the video. But please make note, there is so much extra to this car, so I do apologise. If I do miss any of them through the video, I do apologise. So starting from the front of the vehicle, we'll start from the driver's door. It does have weather shields fitted, a chrome mirror sculpts which are in great order. Just your placard for your PETA's GVM Upgrade on the vehicle. I do have the car running in the background just so you can have it running through the actual video itself. But as you'll see, paint condition is absolutely fantastic. True credit to the previous owner, and really these will be getting harder and harder for us to get, so hence why I say this probably won't last too long. Up to your front guard, really clean condition. Again, your upgraded wheels, which I've noted on earlier, fantastic value for money. Again, there's just so much extras on this car, it's just ridiculous. Coming to the front of the vehicle, steel bull bar. Again, your King's driving lights, your worn winch, which is also fitted, which again, all the photos on the website, UHF radio aerials, which are there. But as you see, presents beautifully. Up to your front bonnet. Again, absolutely fantastic condition. So please do go through all the photos on the website. We've tried to list them all the extras with all the photos as well. But it just shows you what extras this car has got. It's just loaded. Passenger front guard area, really clean condition. Again, your alloy wheel tyre in fantastic condition. It does have your Nissan genuine snorkel fitted also as well. And also your weather shield on that passenger side, same as the driver's side. Coming back to your paint condition on that passenger front door, really clean throughout. Down to your side step, again, very, very clean. Sorry about the noise in the background, that is our blowing man. So that is the noise in the background, so I apologise about that. Coming to your back end of your passenger side rear door, again, fantastic condition. No damage on that rear door. Also, back to your rear tyre and alloy wheel again. Plenty of tread left on those tyres, and again, your paint condition is absolutely fantastic. On the rear end, or the rear quarter of that passenger side, again, really clean throughout. Sorry about my speaking today. Your ST decal, which is a good order, and then coming to your back end of your vehicle, does have your tow bar fitted. Again, your King's rear mount light there as well, and then your spare tyre and alloy wheel, again, in great condition. To open your tailgate to get to your boxes, just underneath that Patrol emblem, is your first lever. Secondary lever is just this one here. And then as photoed on the website, your Titan rear boxes. So there's just so much extras being fitted. Again, to open your box, just your slide drawer as such. And then to close again. So plenty of back, and also your rear cargo connector there. Sorry guys, I forgot that bit. But again, all these will be photoed on the website, just with the extras it does have. We'll shut that tailgate and we'll continue on with the paint condition. If I shut it properly, we'll continue on with the paint condition as we walk around. So back end of the vehicle again, like I said, really clean throughout. Coming down to your driver's side, paint condition again is flawless. I might flip around the other side so you can actually see it a bit better. Driver's side rear quarter. Again, condition of that paintwork is phenomenal. Really clean. Your tyre and rear alloy wheel, again, in great condition. And then coming back to your rear door, just to continue on with that paint condition on the exterior. Hello in the background, I'm waving. Absolutely phenomenal. I will take you through the interior as well. just to show it is very, very clean inside. So I'll start from the door card on that driver's side. And again, really clean throughout. Your carpets are in good order. It does have floor mats. They're currently drying. It's just come back from detail, but they are drying as we speak. Just in relation to your seating. Sorry about the radio being so loud. I will turn that down in one tick. But as you see, really clean condition of that interior wise. Over to your door card on that passenger side, and then back through your interior. Absolutely phenomenal. Has been looked after really well. I will show you the floor mats. I've got them on the ground drying just to the left of myself here. So your floor mats just on the floor there. So really good quality floor mats. They'll go back in the Patrol, of course. Back to the Patrol, your rear air conditioning. And then your compartment section, which has been designed again in fantastic condition with your UHF radio, just the front section. But as you see, nothing has been done cheaply. It's all been done really, really well. Coming back to your paint condition, interior condition of your driver's side area. So I'll start from the door card on that driver's side, really clean throughout. Again, your flooring, again that floor mat will go back in once it completely dries. But as you see, interior wise, absolutely phenomenal. Very, very clean. Over to the passenger side again. Really clean throughout. Over to your door card. I'll jump inside the car just to show you through the interior as well. And we'll turn that radio down as well because it is quite loud. Apologise about that, so we'll turn that radio down. So interior wise, you'll see all the buttons for your winch and such, reverse lights, winch power, auxiliary battery, all those are working all beautifully. Your stereo system, which is the aftermarket stereo, which I told you about a little bit earlier. Again, reverse camera will come up automatically as soon as you select reverse. But as you'll see, as I pan the camera right throughout, it is really clean, this car. Sorry about that, a bit close to the gear knob there. Again, really clean condition. Current kilometres are 187,460, so great kilometres, great service history. Again, non-bubbly dash, so a lot of these will bubble. Previous models used to bubble in the dash area, so it does have a dash mat, but definitely hasn't been bubbled in that dash area. But as you see, absolutely fantastic condition. Just a pleasure to have this vehicle, and like I said earlier, well, I do harp on a lot, it probably won't last too long. So we'll jump outside the car, we'll wrap up the video in relation to this car. Again, over $25,000 worth of extras. I do get tongue-tied as I list them out, but you'll see them all listed on our website. But it is great value for money, and great value for money with the features. So just again, your superior engineering suspension, your GVM upgrade, rear coil spring tower brace upgrade with the engineer's certificate as photoed, full service history, your steel bull bar, dual batteries, airbox, worn winch. It's got so many goodies on this car, so please don't leave it too long. If this is what you're after yourselves, they do sell very quickly. If you have any questions moving forward in relation to this vehicle or anything else we have in stock, please don't hesitate to give us a call here at the dealership. You can speak to Andrew or myself. But again, it's been a pleasure to take you through this car, and hopefully this is going to be the right Patrol for you. Have a great day.